Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saida Nazira binti Suroso. My friend and I would like to present about the topic of rehabilitation. That the title we choose is Designing Wearable Interface for Knee Rehabilitation. So here's the group members: Siti Mursali, Nurul Shahira, and the leader is Siti Nur Atia. I am Saida Nazira and Nur Rizza. For the introduction, we know that rehabilitation process requires the patient to undertake comprehensive physical activities that require effort and self-motivation. Physical therapy is a vital part of rehabilitation for patients who recently underwent surgery from chronic physical disability. The patient who suffered from the injury must consult with medical practitioner which fix a course of exercise as therapy. Treatment program can last anywhere from months to years with weekly or bi-weekly visit to the rehabilitation clinic. Patients undergoing physical therapy often receive little feedback when performing exercise at home from a paper-based exercise tutorial as guidance. This knee rehabilitation with a wearable electronic device that helps patients visualize knee bend when performing exercise at home can be overcome through the feedback issues. The usability of the device with the 6 knee rehabilitation patients was conducted to better understand their perception of wearable interface. The PTV's prototype provided a starting point for discussing how this device can support rehabilitation exercise performance at home. To support their recovery need, a paper prototyping session where participants designed custom wearable interface for future was conducted.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Siti Mursalin binti M. Naji. We'll proceed to the comparison between these two projects, which are a wearable rehabilitation monitoring device for lower arm and designing wearable interface for knee rehabilitation. From most reports that have been established, findings show that the first project is focusing on designing device for rehabilitation, while the second one is focusing on designing the visual interface for rehabilitation. The first project is actually assists for real-time monitoring, while compared to the second project, it assists for the user pleasure so that it's easier for user to use it. The first project also visualized progress on LCD, while the second project visualized progress through electroluminescent or EL display. It is for users who need lower limbs rehabilitation for the first project, and the second project for users who increasing knee extension and flexion. The wearable rehabilitation monitoring device have a capabilities on data logging using SD card, while the other one, data cannot be saved but provide user interface element that consists of session duration, knee bend, repetition, and progress. The device actually make use of flex sensor and force sensitive resistance sensor or FSR, while the second project only make use of bend sensor. The rehabilitation monitoring device prototype consists of elbow guard with flex sensor and Velcro strap with FSR that connect to the Arduino microcontroller and display the output on LCD while data can be saved in SD card. While this designing wearable interface for knee rehabilitation, this prototype consists of a tight enclosure and a curved enclosure with band sensor that connect to Arduino Mini microcontroller and display where custom wearable interface had been designed.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nurfiza binti Maknan. We'll proceed to the comparison between these two projects, which are designing wearable interface for knee rehabilitation and wearable rehabilitation device for lower arm. For the design wearable interface for knee rehabilitation, participants found the enclosure comfortable and easy to wear. They thought the enclosure would accommodate any difficulty patients might face as a result of their knee condition, as opposed to a single sleeve solution, which is common when using flex sensor for detecting joint angle. Participants prefer the distant thigh and calf enclosure. For the wearable rehabilitation device for lower arm, principles of proper positioning is to have an accurate result from binding force. The flex sensor place must be in the proper position to obtain resistance value. For the second one is a visualization interface. Electroluminescent wire bar visualization is intuitive for understanding extent of knee bending. And for the wearable rehabilitation device for lower arm, principle of display suitability is the message is to be perceived by someone very close, and it uses LCD to display arm bending movement and progress.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Shahira binti Yahya, and I will continue this presentation by introducing the importance of a wearable rehabilitation monitoring device for lower arm and designing wearable interface for knee rehabilitations. The importance of monitoring device for lower arm is the device can assist therapists in remote monitoring of patients, and it can continuously monitors the rehabilitation of patients, and thus one of the methods to analyze the improvement of rehabilitation process. And patients can utilize the system at their home with minimal assistance from doctors and clinicians. And lastly, this device can help patients regain back the ability to do the things that they did previously, such as lifting an object, holding an object using the arm. And for the importance of the wearable interfaces for knee rehabilitation, this device is known as PTVs, which is physical therapy with a visualization, that is designed to assist patients in range of motion exercise. This device replaces the protector in the traditional goniometer with a potentiometer positioned over the joint being measured. Usually, the goniometer used to measure the angle of flexions or bending to see the improvement on that patient's where they are to see the recovery, to see their rate of recovery. And this device, patient able to visually keep track her knee through the exercise and noticing any issues such as shaking during exercise, because this device is visual, so that patient can see visually through exercise. And lastly, this device also can assist patients visualize their movement, like I said before, to see their recovery in knee extensions.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nur Atia binti Naim. I will present about the significance of the applications between a wearable rehabilitation monitoring device for lower arm and designing wearable interfaces for knee rehabilitations. For a wearable rehabilitation monitoring device, this device, which is very compact, lightweight and does not restrict movement, is used as monitoring system. It will focus on post-stroke patients where the system is very easy to be attached on arm with minimal external assistance, and the data will be stored for further analysis. This device will contribute towards development of novel arm rehabilitation monitoring device. For the designing wearable interfaces for knee rehabilitations, it consists of physical therapy visualization (PTVs), which is designed to assist patients in range of motion exercise. This focus on users who are increasing knee extension and flexions, where the progress will visualize through electroluminescence or LEL display. The user study also conducted to explore alternatives regarding design issues surrounding these wearable technologies serve as mediating artifacts in physical therapy.
As a conclusion, a wearable interface for knee rehabilitation was designed. This paper described the design and implementation of PTVs, wearable electronic knee rehabilitation device for visualizing knee bend through an electroluminescent display. The wearable technology design considers the lifestyle of users. This is also support the recovery process of patients, and this proposed design employs multimodal feedback and considers the perceived affordance of the design. Last but not least, this finding provides valuable guidelines for future wearable technologies that serve as mediating artifacts in physical therapy, which can benefit human life. That's all from us. Thank you.